Welcome back to Proactive. Today, I'm joined by Atlantic Lithium Interim CEO, Len Kolff. Len, great to have you back on the program with us this morning. Trust you've been keeping well.
Yes, great to be here, Alicia. Happy New Year. Yeah, it's good to be back, and 2023 is going to be a big year for us.
A bit of news in the can for Atlantic this week. You've received the final assay results from your infill and extensional drilling program at the Ewoyaa Lithium Project. Tell us a little bit about the results. Give us the highlights.
Yeah, sure. So these are the final results of our 47,000 meter drilling program, which we started in March last year and completed in around late October. So exciting to get these ones in, which will feed into our resource, but some good highlights in there, including 36 meters at 1.23% from 42 meters, 22.2 meters at 1.62% from 73. So good solid numbers, nice high grade results from a relatively shallow depth. So happy with those.
You mentioned a resource just there, Len. I take it these results will feed into that study. When is the resource update due?
Correct. Yeah. So we're targeting our resource upgrade this quarter. So it's pretty soon, in the next month or so. Look out for that. And importantly, once that's in, we'll be using that to update our DFS, to deliver our DFS study to markets. Importantly, with that resource, roughly 2/3 of that meterage was for infill. So that's to improve the confidence on the resource, and specifically also to define our first 1 to 2 years of measured category, which is quite important in terms of de-risking the project as we transition from explorer to developer. But then we also had roughly a third of our meterage assigned towards resource growth. So that's outside of the current resource footprint. So we should expect to see slightly higher resource tonnage, I expect, as well as a higher confidence, so a higher amount of indicated resources, and our first load of measured resources.
All right, Len, so the mineral resource update is soon to be off the to-do list and you'll move to that key study. What else is in the timeline as you move from development and then down the track into production?
Well, so once we've got our resource upgrade out, and the DFS, which we're targeting for end of Q2 this year, we've also been running a FEED, so that's front-end engineering design, in parallel with our DFS. And that's really the detailed study around the actual plant, so everything that's within the processing plant side of things. And it's really around for us to reduce project execution risk, to define long lead items, and really to inform with a high level of confidence the capital costs, which are the largest in and around the processing plant. So all of that will feed into the DFS and put us in a good position in terms of moving to the next stages of ordering long lead items, and hopefully getting permitting through from the government of Ghana, to then be in a position to break ground on this project, all going well, the end of this year or early next year, dependent on those permits.
All right, well, we're looking forward to further updates on that resource update and the imminent study. Len, thanks so much for your time. Appreciate your insights.
Thanks very much, Alicia. Lovely to be here.